like I say odwene ho a wonte ase wo se ebraso se empatasika bia wo no mo a Gambia man ne yensese no mo edebre sa Ghana man adese no a wo mo ekowu yayaya no wo mo abusua ewo omayimu mampeni John Dramani Mahama ne nsem eni.
Paid a personal visit to my brother President Barrow to thank him for the honor he did to me by personally attending the inauguration ceremony that took place on the 7th of January. I also have come to assure him that my new administration will continue the very good relations that we have had with Gambia. I have always had some relation with Gambia, both in official capacity and in personal capacity. I was part of the delegation that came when there was the impasse after that election. Together with Salif Johnson, President Buhari, we came and negotiated, and we are happy that Gambia's democracy has become consolidated.
John Dramani Mahama yetene nke na no si ya na Gambia mampeni ura Adama Barrow soso no de kakra soso ebo mampeni John Dramani Mahama soso abaso na waso man ni nyina abo se de o se ne man ni ye bia no omo ebeye amoman Ghana ne Gambia man ye nkita hodie aye kama na emususu ada ho.
Congratulate for the resounding victory. Congratulate you for your resilience and your courage. And as I said, there is no school for experience. You are former president and you are now president. So we have no doubt that you will continue the leadership and you will continue where you stopped.
Observanti we Gambia mampeni ura Adama Barrow na yetene Kenya no no so ebo mampeni John Dramani Mahama baso wo nkunim kese a odiye ewo afresa abato Ghana fo yekokoto ye ne mu ka chene sesu ehunu a wo no wogide warehemu se ne maye toso mienu wo de nhyehyɛ papa bi gua kwam mo man no afa ne ya pesene na degidon papa bi efra eyachia akɔ empuntuo mu yeguso ade mo mampeni John Dramani Mahama na tena ye na enra na eyakwaside kese anase akwaside dikan ewo afi 2025 yimu and I'm so ema krobia sante kotoko hene opem so say tutu otoso mienu bodwa ema ewiasem mpanimfo nyina ekomensia himtie ede omanemu nyam ekokota echire na enumo na mamperi John Dramani Mahama de adesre eto sante hene enim se bebi oman ni sikasema ba bedru no obesre no ada se nenimu nyam ene chese mpanimfo atitiriwo a wonimo mu owiase so wamfa no ho anyim no amoa no a ebedine pa so man na hunyehia yakom yesikasemu agensemu na chese yetamu a entam no sasante hina mamu a ebedin ede amoma yi pa mampeni John Dramani Mahama ne nsemu a wode to krobia sante kotoko hina ni mu
that we have been in such a crisis. This particular crisis characterized by a high rate of inflation, macroeconomic instability, a depreciating currency, and above all, a debt default which has shut us out of the international credit market, is a more daunting challenge than we have ever experienced in our history. Your Royal Majesty, as President between 2013 and 2017, we faced macroeconomic instability. And I remember that at the time, some of the times we had obstacles in our way of bringing stability to our economy and restoring economic growth. I had the privilege of calling on you to use your influence and diplomacy to smoothen the path so that it could open up the path towards prosperity and progress.
For him, Danny Radwan, and Senu Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, yetene Kanona, Wamana Sua, and which is soon or the Sedasrunko, a comma Santamana, say a fresh Abatu Ghana for a Baba and Honko Yeno, Ninkunimikasia Udi Yeno, Ufisa Santamaiso Kahumbi, and a mano edis and Kunimua, and then my tosum Yuno, Abemua, Udi or Maiso Samampeni, Ebio Mampeni, John Dramani Mahama, Sedasrunqua, what they Emma Santamaisusuni.
Your Royal Majesty, I want to take this opportunity to thank the people of Ghana for the confidence reposed in me and the NDC in electing us to government. I know that your expectations are very high, and I know that the challenge that we face are very daunting, but I can assure you that we will do our best and will work our hardest to be able to overcome these challenges and make Ghana a better place for our children and our grandchildren.
Abzafo nti we aye mampani John Dramani Mahama no na wache so na wo sha santema nyina bo se impuntuo de ene obema no abuso pa wa santema ntama sei wo se de odwene wa wonte ase yese waban ya asabia wo hyase na mampani na nadu danko akufo no wogide wa rehemu se obetene nsade afiri ho na ekoye bibibia ebeka dama na afiri akonya so no odi amerika kokko bia no wabra na contractor senwi adwuma ne wo som ye wo ho no wo se ne ho dwiri ne pa na o hya santema bo se waban ya asabia no enene kina ya de ho so de ko obia no wo de beko ho no matima bia no aye adwuma ama eso abanfaso ama santema se beye na konfano chiaban ya asabia so no obetime enya bre no to thank
the people of Ghana for the confidence reposed in me and the NDC in electing us to government. I know that your expectations are very high, and I know that the challenge that we face are very daunting, but I can assure you that we will do our best and will work our hardest to be able to overcome these challenges and make Ghana a better place for our children and our grandchildren. Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to use this opportunity to thank Asantewaa. Many might not consider this the stronghold of my party, but in this election, I believe that the confidence and the votes that Asante region gave us
Abzafo nti we aye mampani John Dramani Mahama na yete ne kene no akiri na mampo hene da sebre osebu nsususu no gina otumfo anemo de ensem eto eye domo a na etwahia hodo monim ma oreto mampani John Dramani Mahama animo se ensem a wababo so o manhia hemfie no omo ani da kwan se obeye ne sane yese na efata se beyo na Asantewaa be kono animu.
Our precious President of Mother Ghana. This momentous occasion, we would like you, please, to remember always that all the undertakings and the promises that you've made over the air, off the record, in quiet tete-a-tete, in quiet chambers, on friendly lines, please, in the name of Otumfuo, publicly now, I implore you to fulfill all your promises to us in the great Ashanti Kingdom.
Abzafo nti we aye da sebre osebu nsu na mampo hene na ejina Otumfuo anemu de sansami eto mampani John Dramani Mahama enim yefamo enko ensefufrum ne mom yeguso a edemo mampani John Dramani Mahama natena ye na samo ahye ne nso a efrimra mampani John Dramani Mahama bedi ade se mampani ne etosum yedun se mo ahye ne nso a na kwantuo ene na namontu a wotutuo nyina no enye eye omayi ye japade se ebia ye kaya na se ye rupre ena ode etu kwan eye ono a eye senya ono ane dia ne bia eye ne nua Ibrahim eye ne plane na se bia eye ne car ena ode enam wona namuntu ahodo a wotuo mu nyina ne na manfo busa se na edupre ya eja Ibrahim Mahama ewom se ne dia mampedi John Dramani Mahama edi tutu kwan anyem bia no kase no man ne bo wo ho ena ho tutu ye te sei eno no pani Felix eye kwache ofusu a wona hwani amansa di nkomo sese di mampedi John Dramani Mahama de nchiremu aba se ora Ibrahim Mahama edupre no a mampedi John Dramani Mahama ede etu mpasa ewo mayimo ene eye wiase no ni nua ne dia eye ora Ibrahim Mahama ene de afem no se omfa entu sa na mo na ne amana akoba sa ne se obedi ade no ansa na oba bedi ade no kra na Ghana mampani ne yerupra yewei na ehon sema kwa akoye pii yesi ebinom asese ne ade ne ma otwo krata koma sojafo no se sane omayi yerupre a mampani di betu kwan ne ade no ne tebia setie no omoma ne hu besine sa krata no de koma sojafo no omontumi mfa no ye bia mae ena ma ho akwako hia se osere nua Ibrahim ama ema na rupra wo nyina no ode FM no se koba se otu kwan a na kese ode etu sampasa no na no soso no nyade a oman no etua kapra na sesempoa ede ama Ibrahim Mahama wode FM ni nua no wabra ono a ena kebia wo so obobia no wobo ho a enkoba so oman no ebo ka fufuru bia nti wei ayura Felix kwachi ofusu a ohani amanse de nkomo mama mpere John Dramani Mahama ne nsemo a wode atudwa yeto aso egusu a ewo mampere John Dramani Mahama atena ye na enu ache susu no wode krata aba beto bedwasrede se wate eye ekuo bi basum kuo bi committee bi a wono mo eba betena se no maye yamamra constitution ni amamra ne nchi ama no de aye mre de aye de mfaso bi ani so de chese o se sesa no no enei wo mo entunofo na yentu ho na mo ne kire ya na sa eye committee ya watie Professor H Kwesi Prempe ena eye titire ni eda no emera no beti se Justice Sophia Dinyira eka ho Professor Kwame Kakari eka ho Mama Charlotte say Dr. Godwin Jokutu Ibrahim Tanku Amadu no nyina ekeka ho bia wono eba beboa etu saa anamon wei o kire se mbeka se nso a mpanimfo eye sanhyehyie wei efri be 2010 nimu beka mampani atame osene pen so wo etu sa na mo we bi pen enti wahye wonum se sankrata ne nyino mo nkeka mum na yenhwese edani kire ya de wo se yeyi free yamamra constitution mu ne yeyi ye wo se ye de hyemu susu no na ye de ahyem we soso aye bohye baako a emra na obontoa ewo eye afietwe mu abato no mu no wo de eto Ghana fo animu se ye de oman ne hyeden sa wo beye enani wate committee o mo ba bedi sa edwuma no yemfamo enko boase na ndra eka de enka kru no edane butui efiri memendana na dwo edibesi enra kwasie no na enya samketoa ewo oboase abonten so ne nyina eye galamse mrantie bia omo eye omadwene se Anglo Gold Ashanti womo ensase ewo eye oboase abonten so no mo wura ho na chese wono makwa kope kakra ede ato mu butum na na montu ano mutuo no na tumra etia mrenti no asogafo ano mo boban sa abre no ho no chese eyo madwene so mo makwan ema mrenti na enko ho no eno ena mentimi hwase ehyase a etuo eba mu a se yede mo kase nipa be nwotwe ekeka kodudie wonom nyina aye nyankopon dia embebisusu eprepra ano wo hia Dr. Fu wo boase ni omayi mu epro mo nkwa ede amawunum na obi a na de esie ni nyina na nani samu obi echeche nsemu sei de kire yen
si ha bala jaman de o sani o ba na we be so na we be o be gidi dia do no kwaso o ba na hu o na wa musika o na mo be bi o so na me be ani anya o he we so no mo president no ku so bi dem he so cha no so na ana mo be bi so ru da bush mo ko do
observe nti wei eye odansenia na de na esisia na dwonoa ma de beche eye kwasiada enra ewo boase abonte so na nani sembie na ocheche nsemu ede akyereye no eno ache susu no abrante kwa baako a wono susu ko boase eba ne galamse ne ho nsensem ya observe na ni de akyire bie na de koso na nani semu susu kakra ene ye bonkomo sei
Quality company no. What you say? Yanim Kuno, eti company no. There was so many ways you be company nim. But ha ko for way. Eje, you don't yankopo some ma comedy e be ma command mo. Say eje ma comedy e yes you be ma command mo. In so many ways, yanim so many ways be ma command eje. Ada oko import ni amani free a on fa me fa boase ana. What the name no oko free a habo a on fa me fa boase.
Observe nti wei eye mranche de bi ne yete wo monka no de ekoso ewo oboase free memendana na dwo de besi enra kwasie anopa de enra duane nyina na kyese nyasem ketwa na enra cheso so no omo a wo mo ho kekaye no yese bako busua susu ni yedi nkomo
I was there myself and I come out you want to pay 3 a.m. midnight. And you won't get it to this matter. No one is above the law. Please. Nobody is above the law. Please, I beg you. We admit that they didn't do well. We admit. So I had we admit and you'll be concession. But not to kill the person. Straight bullet to the head. I don't know. I don't know.
Abusafo nti woye obi a ugina de man this amanyuko no wo boase abato mpesua so first love na yete ne nke we yemra na omone IGP edi nkomo na oboase ye commander ene IGP edi nkomo na ye maame first love wo hono mu bi na NDC chairman ono so so mpesua no so wo hono mu bi no mu nyina ekirem de akire IGP de si ye pa wo hono mo eno no omo hwe ne mu so sanhwemu ebekoso eno no ye hyem bo se ye nidi akire ebi fra to bia no ye fa enka